Today I'll show you how to install this NVMe SSD in your desktop and how to set it up. Let's get started. This is a 2 TB version. For installation you need your SSD and the screws you have got with your motherboard, and you need one Phillips head screwdriver. This is very simple. Anyone with a decent basic computer experience can do this. We'll open up the computer. So I have already removed the power cable and everything. I opened up the PC. You can see this is my primary SSD, which is also M.2, which has a heatsink. Now I want to install my second SSD. Let's see. So I have a slot here. So this is my secondary M.2 SSD slot. You can see here there are 3 different length for standoffs. Based on your SSD type, you need to adjust and add the standoff. SSD will have a notch like this. Just align the notch on your M.2 slot and insert the SSD. Once you insert, it will stay in a 30-degree direction. It is a little bit flexible. Even if you leave it like this also it will connect, but you should add a screw to the end of it. Now I have added the screw. I'll just tighten it tight enough, not too much. Yeah, that's the installation done. And let's start the computer and I'll show you how to initiate the drive. So now I have started the PC. I haven't got any pop-up regarding the new disk. I'll show you how to manually initiate the disk initialization process. Since we are done with SSD installation, let's go ahead and initialize the disk on your PC. Some SSDs, they automatically pop up on your window. If it doesn't, I'll show you how to do it manually. Just go to search for create and format hard disk. In some PCs it will be disk management. So now the new disk is automatically popped up. It is asking for a partition style for the disk. So you can select MBR, which is the old method, or GPT. GPT is a new partition method. I'll select GPT. It will take a while. So now you can see this black unallocated drive. This is your new NVMe SSD. So blue are already existing. The black one is the unallocated. We need to map this on your sample volume. You will have a volume wizard window pop up. This is a straightforward process. Just click next. By default it will select complete disk space. I'll keep it as it is. I'll click next. You can assign a letter to the disk. By default it takes the next available letter. In my case it's E, or you can keep any alphabet you want. I kept X for this drive. I'll click next. Next is the format. So you need to format the disk. There are 2 options, exFAT and NTFC. I'll select NTFC. Keep allocation unit size as default. Volume label you can change it anything you want. I'll just put my SSD type drive name WD black NVMe. Select perform quick format. I'll click next. So I'll check the details again to make sure everything is fine, and I'll click finish. So it will take 1 or 2 seconds and your new disk is ready. If you go to my computer, your new disk is ready to use. So that is it guys, simple procedure to install NVMe SSD on your PC. If you found it useful, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.